our loop.
He is in snow attack.
Yeah, I see that.
I got you.
Wow!
Yeah.
Think so.
You made me second guess with that question.
That's like a challenge.
I'm gonna get you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no! You guys want to go down the slide? Go down the slide before you guys go in? Oh, got me. Right in the belly. Ugh. Right in the belly. Now, let's go up the stairs. Let's go up the stairs. Gotta go this way.
Slide portion, you don't climb up the side.
Oh.
Remember?
Slide time. Oh, going through the tunnel.
Good job.
I don't want the snowman to melt.
Well, hopefully it'll last for a couple more days.